Hey guys, today we're going to do lesson 74, spelling with C. As you learn the 5 phonetic skills, you learn patterns for spelling words that end with the K sound. Now that you know the 2 decoding skills, you are ready to learn how to spell the K sound when it is heard at the end of a word that has more than one syllable. Words that have more than one syllable and end with the K sound are spelled with the letter C. Let's look at this word. One example is the word traffic. Traffic has 2 syllables and ends with the K sound. Let's prove the word together. We're going to arc the TR, X the A, X the I. Come back to our first working vowel. We have 2 consonants, so it follows decoding skill 2, and 2 will split. This first syllable follows phonetic skill 1, so our A is short. The second syllable also follows phonetic skill 1, so that I is going to be short. But before we move on, remember that we have double consonants, so we're going to mark out that F and then mark that I short. So the first syllable says try, the second syllable says fic. We'll put it together and we have the word traffic. Say it with me, traffic. There was hardly any traffic in the small town. Let's practice with another word. Let's prove this word. We're going to arc the FR. We're going to X the A. We're going to X the I. We're going to come back and we have 2 consonants, so it follows decoding skill 2. 2 will split, so we're going to split between the N and the T. The first syllable follows phonetic skill 1, and that is going to be short. The second syllable follows phonetic skill 1 as well, and that's going to be short. First syllable says Fran. The second syllable says tick. We're going to put it together, and we have the word frantic. She was frantic because she could not find her dog. Let's do another one. Let's prove this word. We're going to X the U, X the I, come back. We have 1 consonant, so 1 will run, so we're going to split right here. The first syllable follows phonetic skill 3, so that's going to be long, and say 2. This follows phonetic skill 1. It's going to be short, and say Nick. We have the word tunic. A tunic is another word for a shirt. All right, let's prove another multisyllabic word that ends in K. Let's X our I. Let's X our other I. And I'm sorry these aren't lined up on this slide. Then we're going to come back to our first vowel, and we have 2 consonants. So we're going to split because 2 will split according to decoding skill 2 right there. Pretend that that's there. Our first syllable is short and follows phonetic skill 1. And our second syllable is short and follows phonetic skill 1. Our first syllable says pick. Our second syllable says nick. Say the word with me, picnic. We went on a picnic in the park. We're going to use this word to practice adding suffixes. When adding ing, er, or ed to the end of a word that ends in C, add a K first and then add the suffix. I will show you by turning the word picnic into picnicking. So I'm going to write the word picnic. I'm going to add a K. And then I'm going to add the ing and underline the ing. Say that word with me, picnicking. The family is picnicking in Central Park. It's important to add the letter K before adding a suffix. If you do not add a K, the suffix will help make a rainbow S with the letter C. Let's practice spelling the word picnicked. So we're going to write the word picnic again. We're going to add the K. And picnicked has ed at the end of it, so we're going to add the suffix ed and underline it. Read that word with me. Picnic. The class picnicked in the green grass. Now it's your turn to practice reading these words that follow this rule. Read these words. Picnic, picnicking, picnicked, picnicker, frantic, basic, tactic, tunic, cubic, hectic, attic, detect. Let's read these sentences. Hectic traffic makes some people feel frantic. She wants a fancy tunic. The septic tank was 6 cubic feet long. Osric likes picnicking at the beach.